Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Few dishes capture the essence of Roman cuisine like Cacio e Pepe. Hailing from the Lazio region, this pasta dish is a humble masterpiece built on just 3 ingredients: cheese, black pepper, and pasta. Its simplicity tells a story of tradition, where Italian shepherds relied on shelf-stable staples to create lasting flavors. Today, it's a symbol of Italian comfort food, beloved for its creamy texture and bold peppery kick. Whether you're new to Italian cooking or a seasoned chef, mastering this dish means connecting with centuries of culinary history. And once you taste it, you'll understand why it's stood the test of time. The origins and history of Cacio e Pepe. The magic of Cacio e Pepe lies in its simplicity, but don't let its 3-ingredient recipe fool you. Behind every bite is a story of survival, adaptation, and cultural pride. This dish didn't start in fancy Roman kitchens. Instead, it was born from ingenuity, shaped by shepherds who needed food that could last. Shepherd roots and early beginnings. Imagine you're a shepherd in the rugged hills outside Rome centuries ago. You need ingredients that won't spoil, no refrigeration, no daily markets. What do you pack? Pecorino Romano, a salty, hard cheese made from sheep's milk, and black pepper, a spice that could survive long journeys. Add dried pasta, or sometimes just grain, and you've got a meal that's practical, hearty, and packed with flavor. Pecorino Romano. Aged for months, this cheese could withstand travel and still deliver bold taste. Black pepper. A luxury at the time, but lightweight and long-lasting, it added warmth to simple meals. Pasta. Easy to dry and carry, it became the perfect base for stretching limited ingredients. This wasn't gourmet cooking, it was survival. But necessity bred creativity. The shepherd's basic technique, tossing hot pasta with cheese and pepper, laid the foundation for a dish that would outlast empires. The evolution into Roman cuisine. Over time, shepherd's food became everyone's food. As Rome grew, so did the dish's reputation. The city's working class adopted it for the same reasons: affordability, simplicity, and the kind of flavor that sticks with you. Butchers, bakers, and laborers didn't have time for elaborate meals. They needed something fast, filling, and delicious. Cacio e Pepe checked every box. By the 20th century, Roman trattorias had polished the recipe. Chefs perfected the balance of cheese and pepper, turning a rustic dish into a cult classic. The key. Technique. The creamy texture doesn't come from butter or cream, despite modern shortcuts. It's all about emulsifying starchy pasta water with sharp cheese and cracked pepper, a method that demands attention and practice. Restaurants like Richness and Felicitestocchio helped cement its status as a Roman staple. Today, it's as much a part of the city's identity as the Colosseum. From sheep herders to Michelin-starred menus, Cacio e Pepe proves that great food doesn't need complexity, just tradition, quality, and a little know-how. Key ingredients in Cacio e Pepe. Cacio e Pepe may have only 3 core ingredients, but each one plays a starring role. Using the right cheese, pepper, and pasta isn't just a preference, it's what makes the dish work. Swap any of them, and you risk losing the magic of this Roman classic. Pecorino Romano, the heart of the dish. Pecorino Romano isn't just cheese, it's the soul of Cacio e Pepe. Made from sheep's milk, this aged cheese brings a sharp, salty punch that balances the dish. Unlike milder cheeses, its bold flavor stands up to the heat of freshly cooked pasta without turning greasy or clumping. Here's why it matters. Authenticity matters. Real Pecorino Romano has a DOP label, meaning it's made in specific regions of Italy using traditional methods. Texture and melt. Younger Pecorino, aged around 8 months, melts smoothly, while older versions add a gritty bite if grated too coarsely. Salted to perfection. The natural saltiness means you really need extra seasoning. Skip the substitutes. Parmesan or grana padano might seem similar, but they lack the tang and depth that define this dish. The role of black pepper. Black pepper in Cacio e Pepe isn't a background note, it's the co-star. Freshly ground pepper adds warmth, complexity, and a subtle heat that lingers. Pre-ground pepper? It falls flat, tasting dusty rather than vibrant. Why fresh makes the difference? Oils activate when cracked. The aromatic compounds in peppercorns release their full flavor the moment they're ground. Adjustable intensity. Coarse cracks give a rustic bite, while finely ground pepper blends seamlessly into the sauce. Balancing the cheese. The spice cuts through pecorino's richness, keeping each bite from feeling heavy. Use a pepper mill or mortar and pestle. The extra effort is non-negotiable. That's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.